Diba kay suon na gano'n ni Alzor. Then permitigid niya ginay-stress ako one time. And di lang siya one time.
One time.
Almost all the time. Ano siya, that he found his tribe. So in relation to that kay suon man pud mo friend, ikaw po nakata na question. What is the power of community and how important to be in the right one? Right one? Banda po.
Back doon, asking ka ba? Before answering that, I'll just kanang sikat yung term
Piggyback.
Piggyback mo ganun yung last time.
Ay, okay, mic daw.
Sorry, Pao. Okay na, Pao? Okay, thank you. Kuan, what keep us going siguro, ang pinaka, and in connection with that also kay, the very like essence of Bookfest, kay not like the event itself, but the core people behind Bookfest.
I love that.
Kay, kanang, when we see each other, manggod, we see each other's weakness, we see each other's, kanang, kung na siya limit dari pod, musnap po na siya dari nga site.
Napoy maniko.
Naagamay!
Napoy maniko, manumbag.
Naagamay! Kami gani happy. Pero the good thing mo kay kanang, I think ang genuine good nga ano pod sa matag usa, respect isa. At the same time kay when you find manggod yung tribe gid nimo kanang you just click. It doesn't matter manggod. Dahil mga times gid nga lugay na kayo mo yung mga friends, like your friend and all, but sons?
Shout out, sons.
Lugay na kayo mo friends, but yeah, you're still friends. But nagi mga tapod nga, along the way, kajut ra kayo niwas na nahila, but click na din mo diretso. And you know that genuine good. So ako personally, tested yun ako yung Bookfest. So, on a personal level po na ako, I saw them, I saw every one of them kanang help me personally sa struggles nako. And even kana bitaw gusto kay ka makita man lang gusto kay ka mo gusto kayo ka mo si tagana friend
Wala pa ko sige
mo volunteer. gusto kayo ka mo ano mo help of course, but you're limited for we were very limited kay na yung mga inani nga rason, but they are there to all right, Lord, I got your back ani nga side para ma-extend nimo gid yung ang imong help ana bitaw. So ana siya importante kay sa para sa ko mara to may hapon.
Sa akin friend do kay ako pa siya gatagag. Gatagag ng siya opportunity kay basta masikuhan ko.
Wala pa na siya.
Wala siya.
Wala dyan.
Kasi host kami tapos
Di man ikaw may host.
I mean,
Pusa raman ko.
kasali pala siya. So, just like what I'm telling my students, no, round 2 na ta. So, nanaw sa deck, guys. Sino kaya ang unang mabubunot? Recitation. Ma'am Easy. Ma'am Easy talaga. Looking back, what realizations did you have after Bookfest? Sure ko madami. Papatuloy pa ba?
It's very important.
Ganun mo talaga.
Kanya-kanya mo ugot lang sa inyo. Kanya-kanya mo sa inyo.
The supporting details.
For context,
For context, wala may tulog for 6 months.
4-6 minutes daw?
Anyway, so kind of not really. Realizations. Puntutan pa ayo.
Meditation.
Mahirap ko.
wala siya mo nang hila.
Ideas.
Meron daw
Sharing din lang.
meron daw bako.
Kaya masunod na kini sila.
O, 2 points yan.
I'm so proud of myself.
Gawa na.
Hindi ka na una.
Damay video.
Mamaya ka.
Very strong.
Oh, sorry guys, one sec.
Trainers at that.
Sponsored by
Water.
coffee.
Matcha. Ganyan na lang natin.
Sea salt from the sea.
Sugar pump nice.
By sugar. Hang back. Sorry. There are few things that collaboration cannot do. When you work with people who mutually respect each other, who understand that you are doing something beyond yourself, it's no longer about how tired you are or what you are giving. Of course, you know what those things are, but it's not only about your sacrifice, but the collective sacrifices of everyone to do something that benefits a bigger circle of everyone. So, sorry.
Danay, gilak dan. Ano ay switch na eh.
Dati namin ko yung mic.
Wait lang, times na niya easy ha.
So as a background person, usually focus for people who are in the background is helping individual people who are not always on stage be able to do their jobs as efficiently as possible so that everything runs as efficiently as possible. And being a background person means that you learn to care for these people beyond the work that they do. So a realization siguro for me is when you care for these people, that turns into everyone being able to benefit more. So it's not just work so that you get the certain result, so that you get a lot of accolades, so that you get praise. It's work to grow individual people so that these individual people can make a bigger difference. Thank you.
Thank you kay Ma'am Easy. May pa-matching Crayola sponsored by. Oo. So, para talagang mapinaghugot ang lahat, si Ma'am Karen, hindi pa po siya tinatanong ng set list. Best Supporting Actress. The Oscar goes to... Sino kaya ang next mabubunot? Ma'am Karen, wait. Wala na ako siya gituyo.
Extensively.
Wala na ako siya gituyo. Feeling na ko kayo makarelate ka kay Ma'am Easy, so that's why ikaw na po ang sunod. What personal or professional skills do you think you gained from volunteering?
Pwede ka mag-floor next one?
Padong taas sa shy personal or professional skills. I can't even pinpoint one because you can get fingers padong sponsored no like hindi like kung pwede parang mo siya ma-document na nan it could create a self-help survival guide.
Or namoy module?
No. Pero beyond the professional skills like how Angel does the events, and the effort team, how James and Easy handles partners. Now it's carefully curated to fit. Beyond that, dayon kay the helping hand of DEFCON was there to highlight the importance of tech in growing the community and growing the business community in general. So that's a serendipitous moment. Now
Hindi siya yun nga, ay, join lang tani kay sama sa gingon ni Zorno last year. Ay, this nigga. Basta, hindi, balang, ito na dira. Okay, relation na ako, shout out to Sir Ian.
Hi, Sir Ian.
Kung nasan ka man.
Kung nasan ka man, Starling. Ito, dati kay Patigod Budget ang nagpatuson just to introduce the organization that we belong. And that, so, ito, ang organization niya kay collectively, Manggot, we cannot really deny that everything is connected in a circle, in a hoop that never ends.
Yeah.
Lion King?
Roar.
Dito. So, it's a validation. So, this one up kay this is something that I have dreamt of siguro a decade ago. Yes, I'm old. And then a lot of people, whenever I say this concept, I'm always answered or I always get a response of, "Ladong gimong something and yani tapos free tapos ko ano na. What are you doing?" And that niya. Nang raga na ikaw mo philanthropist pero vida po. Ano punta sa you know, this is a validation, and I think to answer that question, I'd like the biggest lesson is this is a shout out to all of you who said that this is not possible because look at this. You know, 7 days. Pilato concessionaires, more than 6,000 people showed up, and it's one whole week of event. Now everybody was tired, but I think I would say 98% of those who volunteered for Bookfest would kaya magtagpo galing mo tapos may ganyan. Ay, next time, ingat na itong buhaton or okay ka na. Nag-advance ka din.
Dito ba kapoy nagkakita sa katanan?
Ang pastor isip, di ba? Tapos sigla, pag-message siya mag see you at Bookfest. But collectively, it is like that. So this is a shout out to everyone who said that this collaboration or events like this is not possible. No, if only you guys are able to see that if you support this so na tininood nga ka ng na goals to grow the businesses, to help the businesses in terms of their sales, tangible results ba. So if you would be able to see how important this is, how important deciding that you support events that is driven by demand, driven by the true needs of the businesses around, no? What kind of growth would that put in a community, diba? So, focus, guys! Focus!
Yan, focus down.
Ito. Beyond than just listening to kung kayo sinasa duwal ba, no?
Yeah.
Take a look at what exactly happens in these businesses. Take a look at the opportunities around these brands who deserves global exposure. Diba? If these businesses are being supported, guys, ang imong kanang ROI sa imong support sa usapon ni EP, no? It will double, triple, and really grow. Tapos napagid siya kanang positive effect in the economy. So, welcome kayo mga positive.
Tumitirang sito na lang.
Feeling lang ko kay Kuan. Igon sa mga Bonifacio, mga
Igon sa mga siguro mo ako.
salamat kay mom, nagkikita namin. Okay rin po daw sila. Nag-text ang mga nagbantay, no? Shout out sa ilang mga anak. O sa mga nagbantay sa ilang mga anak. Wala po. Shout out lang. Okay guys, so salamat kayo. No? Nag-share potential mahimong kuan.
Yeah. KKK.
Well, I guess.
Sir James.
Ay, okay.
Sir James, the question for you is, Charlotte, did Bookfest change the way you see community events or volunteering in general?
Super!
Yes, in the way that like everyone said, like with everyone together, bigger things are possible. So, pinaka na takeaway ko rin dito. Because like yun, share talaga yung everyone during that week had their own personal struggles. There were challenges. We had around 60 plus volunteers. That's even outside of our regular manpower every day was our photographers, people that came in just for the day, and people in each event. Actually, there were so many volunteers from each community. So the artists, yung mga artists na nagdo ng workshop, they volunteered. The people who did their own coffee event, they all volunteered also. So that's even beyond 60 actually. And yun, the biggest the thing that I realized from community work was really how much you can do when everyone works together with the same vision, passion, and drive. So, like, everyone really came together no matter how tired they are. Memorized yung mukha namin ng security ng aerobics. Shout out sa mga guard. Araw-araw. Nandun kami for 1 week. So, yun, the biggest for me was really the impact of community when it comes to real life businesses, communities, or in different industries. So we really think that through this challenging event, we honestly and wholeheartedly know we made a difference in different people's lives.
Grabe. Okay, pero baka mga kaibigan. Thank you so much.
Founder of Bukidnon.
The founder, the one and only, Sir James. Thank you, Sir James. Next, Ma'am Angel. Oh, pa-quiet ka lang.
Ang mga hulumon.
Ikaw na pala ang susunod. Although, lightly, ilan namang na-answer, pero sa imo...
In your own words.
Sa imong point of view, okay. Do you feel events like Bookfest are important for the community? Why?
Super. Very, very important. We've handled so many events already, from special events down to corporate events. But this kind of community event is likely not being recognized by many because the hardships of it, of then what's in it for us, nga na. Pero if you have the collective people doing the same core values, goals, mission, visions, like I said, and kung gid siya, important kayo siya. Just like what everybody said, it's very important for the lives of those who didn't move, but they need movers.
My gosh.
They need movers.
Movers.
Tayo mga volunteers. So we have the founder of the movers. Lala move. Let's go. Let's see.
Okay, next year.
And those like-minded people like the DevCon, A14, Bukidnon Business Community, they only need someone or a team who will realize what they already have been thinking of. Nga, natin mo ingon nga, ay, naote ani ba, naote community event ni, ani ganyan, pero walay billing to make that one.
Exactly.
So, if there is this kind of event, everyone will see, especially in Bukidnon, that's not very exposed to anything like this. Nga, kanaoy, new lagi sa ilaha, muna ko uban, nabo na mga businesses, God kasitat nga, kung sa may ROI na ko, na, kung ma-appeal ko, or yan na, say matumingon ni Ma'am Karen. But then, now, I give a shout out good for those who believe first.
Yeah.
In our vision.
Believers.
Sa Bookfest, inbayon sila, they have to see it first before they believe. But I really would like to give a clap give dito sa believe first. Who believed first, and then they conquered, and then they realized, they experienced, and now they are one step higher from those who just tanawon sa nila kung sa'yo mahitabuyan. Diba? So, karon dayon kay ma-realize gid nga it can happen in Bukidnon, it can happen in the community, and this kind of event will benefit not just the organizers but the participants of the event. Yes. Okay.
Actually, speaking of ano lang.
Microphone, friend.
Sorry, friend. Speaking di ba, dagang kig mga stories after, like, sa businesses, inani, and even yung mga, like, mga engagement gid bang, nga, mga, kaning nga mga tao, wala sila nag-ila sa book fest, and then, connection din hitabo, I don't know, sa yung
Community within a community.
Yeah, exactly.
Network of one.
Yeah, I just, shout out lang ako si Vianney ba? Like, for example, di ba? Like, introvert, makisip, hi, V. Si Vianney, kailangan ni Vianney. Yeah. Like, ganang case study ba sa'yo, ha? After that, mas nagkaroon siya courage bitaw to really launch his own branding na bitaw. And then, more and more people po, like, 300 ata ka book, nangingon siya nga, gusto og like webinar. Bitaw. And then, ayan, is 100 ra. 300 ka book ang tao nga willing. Kana alam bitaw?
Participate ana.
Exactly. Bitaw? Kana nga, case study lang. Marata may hapon. So, payra ko.
Salamat, friend. Nga na ganda yung mga roles sa kinabuhi. Oo, the design is very piggyback. So, dahil dyan, Ma'am Glay. Lasidan gidang last. Ma'am Glay. Ikaw.
Tapos na ako.
Pagduha daw ta para fair ang sharing bitaw. Oo, wala maalkansi. And if there's another book fest, would you volunteer again? Ang pauta na kayo, would you volunteer again?
When volunteer answer sheets. Will you choose us?
Yes, of course.
So case closed.
Next.
The motion is
Julie seconded.
Of course, no. This kind of events will inspire people, to collaborate, to, explore, the things that they couldn't explore without someone pushing them.
Yeah.
So, that's, the impact is yun yung sa akin, it's really the impact that it will, that it created or gave the community, Lucas gave the community. And then, volunteering for reading when good, it gave me the feeling of, it's not just about helping out during events, it's about leadership, it's about commitment, it's about the heart that despite all the circumstances, even though the volunteers, they do have academics, during that the organizers, may mga challenges.
Sige pa.
Wala siya kita sa camera kay Ana. Ito ng view.
It's really the heart that keeps going, keeps us volunteering in events like this. And then, second question.
Mo to siya, why? Would you volunteer again? Why?
Yes,
Well, actually.
It's really nice.
Review.
And it was aired nationally. No, sorry guys.
Sige, hindi na kaya natin.
So yun lang.
Amazing. Makarelate ko sa gingon bito ni Aslan sa Narnia. It is finished. It is done. Di ba na-announce na daw?
It is done.
Dan. Ikaw na yung Dan. The last but not the least, Dan, this is your question. What's one piece of advice you would give to someone who's thinking about volunteering for the first time?
Volunteer number 1.
Sige, maulawan to Dan.
Piece of advice for someone volunteering for the first time. Okay.
Gako ba na yung sa mga answer nila? Nasa ako tubig.
Number 1.
Expect yourself to be challenged very much.
Captain of challenge.
Nakapag siya challenge and ayaw daw mag-expect og same amount of perks as you would with the challenges kay nagiuban nga mo lang nga expect mag-volunteer sa direct kay muli wala naapoy makuha pero as my second booking on business summit mas ito man
Kaya mo yan, Dan.
Hindi ko ayaw yan.
as my second skills on business summit na event mas kuan gyud siya mas daghan ang challenges and although wala kay makuha ang perks physically or sa baba
Like, nabugot
material wise mas kuan siya mas fulfilling siya sa inyong
Kaya naman. Hindi ka mo kaya naman dahil.
Para sa ako alam, personally, kay, the reason why I volunteered first kay, gusto ko i-hone ako ang project management skills. Eh, mo ito kung kuha ko og short course. Before, so mo ito ko first purpose ka na nag-join the BA.
I did great.
Butas akong resume.
But you did great.
Pero mo ito, para, in a way, it grew on me nga mag-appeal of mga inani nga events. Kay, lingaw siya. Kamoy siya.
Tingnan siya.
Lingaw siya.
Okay, Elter.
Moto, lingaw siya, even though kapoy siya. And, ganahin ko magbuhat ng mga projects. So, moto, fulfilling siya para sa ako. And, kanang, ginapakusan ko nga, wala kay kuan, wala kay bayad, anak.
Ang atong tubag. Ang atong
Wala po.
So, di yun siya monetary always yung mga ginagawa. Kaya maski sa ako ang own personal nga mga projects, hindi siya monetary things ang iwang of us. Sometimes it's about creating something more than yourself. But
Really, the end. Sure. Gusto mag si Ma'am Blay, of course.
Nothing commercial.
Pero sakay na.
Click on the application link below.
As someone from DevCon Movement, which is all about volunteering, I'd like to say to those, what? One up, Mike?
Napa.
To those who would want to try, go. It might feel intimidating at first, but always remember that when you're volunteering, you will not be doing everything alone. You'll be part of a team, although you'll be a team, although you'll be assigned to some task that you'll be the one who will lead that task. Dili kabiyaan, because you will be one of not just a team, but a family. And mind you, the experiences, the memories, the friendship that you'll be able to build during volunteering, dili kabayaran, and you will carry all the fun moments, all the hard moments during volunteering all throughout your life. So that's it for me. Thank you very much.
Wow. Thank you kayo, no, ma'am. Ma'am Glide.
There yan.
Volunteer daw, guys.
Yeah.
Na-amaze lang po kayo kung sa katong keyword di Ma'am Glide ba nga dili kabayaan. Kay partly aware ko nga dahil mong pinagdadaanan ato during the book fest. Pero sa life ba? Oh. Safe. So, then, na-amaze lang po dahil ko sa concept po sa atong Father God nga katong kanta bitaw friend.
Nga.
Sa Simbang Bisaya ang title kay nakalimot ko. Pero ang lines kaya na siya kay kanang kung ma-fall daw ka ana dito busa
Busa ka.
busa tindog og pamapha hawid sa akong gugma dawata ang akong kamot kauban ta kay dili ka bayaan ug dili ka pasagdan. Ana.
Ayaw na.
Oo.
Ay,
Ay, dili na lang, besh. I'm sorry, Your Honor. na siya message pero mo to siya guys kanang na-exhaust na nato ang 14 ka questions no. Ganun lang kadali. Oo. Pero mo ni siya ang kuan pang Sir James. Pang Sir James, the kuan founder of Bukidnon. Dahil nandito tayong lahat dahil sa kanya. Mo ni siya Sir James. If you have a message for people who haven't experienced Bookfest yet, what would you say to encourage them to join and be part of the next one?
Kung ayaw nyo, wag nyo.
Go, sir.
So, harap ako sa camera, no?
Yes.
Si ako, James Cruz. Pero for me, different levels naman siya of involvement. So for like what we've been talking about, if you are interested in volunteering, yun, like sabi nila, like everyone has said, not even said lang, actually shown. Kasi I am always so happy yung sa feedback. Kasi I talked to a lot of the sponsors, partners, the concessionaires personally. One of the first things I did after Bookfest was ask them, how were you? How was Bookfest for you? How was it as an experience for your staff, your customers, you yourself when you attended? And I'm always so happy when they comment on the hard work and the quality of nabigay ng volunteers. And that's all from not only yun nga, expecting payment, but more on their passion, their drive for what they were doing. So, yun, shout out again to all our volunteers and everyone who participated with us, honestly. So, yun, it's always meant to be made possible by everyone together. Kasi that was the point. So, yun, for us, we are excited to continue to grow the community, to continue to grow the circle with more opportunities. Like, in whatever shape or form next year's Bookfest takes, we are excited to get to know new people, to get to partner with even more people within and outside of Bukidnon. I was very happy na, yun nga, like sabi nila, totoo, before, within the week pa ng Bookfest, ang dami nag-comment na we want to volunteer also for next year. Or pwede ba kami mag-partner din yung organization namin? So, yun, syempre naka-warm ng heart na hindi pa tapos wait lang. Ayaw ko pa isipan yung next year. Kasi middle of the week pa lang. Nung second day pa, kala ko halfway through na eh. Second day, kala ko halfway through na. Sabi ko, Tuesday pa lang pala. Ayun. But, nakaka-warm na heart. So, to everyone na nag-reach out na we want to partner next year. Yes, we're excited to work with more people next year. And then for those who want to also be concessionaires, partner sponsors, or attendees, of course, we want that experience. We want to invite you to experience that. Kasi what we want to offer to people, to partners, to everyone who joins us in Bookfest is really an experience that comes from our hearts to impact your lives, to impact the lives of those around you, to impact the lives of your customers. Kasi everything was really made to impact lives.
Yeah.
Learnings you all did was to impact your customers. The bazaar was meant to impact your market, to extend or grow your visibility. The mga attractions like the wall climbing was to impact lives and create more visibility for our tourism. May habulanan kami. We had weavers from Malitbog who really stayed there. We had the rock climbers from Quezon. So the whole experience was to create positive change and impact for the community, for Bukidnon, and even now that we're happy to get feedback from beyond Bukidnon. So again.
Amen, amen. Thank you so much, Sir James. Nada may add si Alzor.
Ayun po yan. Ano lang siguro. Agile and I were asking sorry kay Pao. Mute siya Pao. Agile and I were we were talking before pa yung sa next daw, kinsa among next nga guest. And I suggested sa iya nga, you guys, kay because you can.
Because why not?
Siguro sa akong mind kay kanang I just want to let the people see the behind the scene of the behind the scene. Makita sa mga tao yung how you are as a person, individual, nga tanan man tag struggle during that time. And I remember, I think ikaduha man siguro tong adlaw. No? Kita to nagstorya. Happy ba, second day pa lang ba, bro, kapoy, nakisa nga tanan. Kapoy yung kadlaw, ano, itaw. But you just have to do it, man. And then, mabuti ng adlaw, okay. Kapoy lang siya, pero hapit naman, ano ba tao? Ano ba? Pero I just want to, ano po, kay, gusto po na ako nga, mailan mo sa tao, hindi man kay gusto ko, hilig dyan kong flex o akong kailangan, ka-flex-flex po dyan kayo. Yeah. Pero, ano man, good, I just want to see po yung, the people will listen to this and will watch this podcast nga, kanang, these are the people, it's not just the event kaya dagan mo kayo event ka na itabo.
Yeah.
Diba? But it's the people behind the event. Mugit siyang foundation. Kung sa successful bitang event. Kaya na siya. Dili man perfect ng mga tao. Imperfectly perfect podcast. Diba?
Yeah.
Pero, kanang, I think si Resurgence yun, it's kanang the willingness to grow. Like, for example, ako hatag og isa ka example. There was a time, I think, tech day to siya. After tech day ato. So as she is, kaya syempre, kaya dagan na ka siya event, kaya nahitabo bitaw, nga gibuhat. So, syempre, nag-comment na siya inani. Sa ako nga part, ako may nasa tech. So, sakitan ko, di. Tapos, next story namin, literally, on fire kayo siya sa nga tanan. Good. And there was one time nga nag-message with him, I think, sa 70 mo siguro to action. Nagtubag namin sa text. So na yung mga clash yun, hitabo, within sa, but, the good thing mo good, kay, mo po na akong the good thing about kani siya nga group of people kay, kabalo man tanga, nani sayop, kabalo man tanga, nani siya lapses, kabalo po din siya nga nani siya kanang, sa tagal yung ganon ba? Bitaw, but, the best thing yun ang experience kay, we accepted each other, for who we are, and kung na ay kailangan tabangunin sa isa, kanang di mo kailangan ka nga, pwede ko mga ikad. Everyone mo, wingon din nga, we got you. And I think muna yung pinaka-essence po sa in building a community, because a community is not an organization, it's an organism nga will grow to for each other. Para to may hapon.
Friend, gabi na, friend. Alas 6 na. Oo. Salamat kayo, friend. Pero natouch ko kay, kung makita lang ninyo inyong self sa eyes ni Elzor. Yes. Grabe siya ka-proud sa inyo, ha. Pero hindi niya gina-flex. Oo. Diligid mawala sa mga moments nga guys, storya mi sa kilid-kilid nga ma-interget yung mga pangalan. So we are so proud of you guys. And lastly na lang, before we say bye-bye sa atong nga audience, kanang nanong kita ani niya, partner man daw mi sa Book Fest char podcast. So hatag lang ko og sa inyo ka lang na part, just give us one sentence. Ana sa mo direct. How do you feel today nga naana mo sa podcast, Char? May ma-enter. Oh, sorry. One sentence lang.
Nag-struggle.
Ano yung pinakalisan tayo sa tanan?
Hatala example na para.
Once in taas na kayo, one word na.
Sentence mo.
Diba?
Hatagan ta og model ni Dan sa one sentence. How do you feel? How do you feel today nga na naka sa podcast? Sa The Imperfectly Perfect Podcast.
Good. Tingin ka sa camera.
Microphone. One cent.
Is it to sa
Sige, balag 2 sentences.
sentence and phrase?
It's just one way of saying
Pwede siya.
bumubuo lang.
Pwede na siya ako at most one sentence, so pwede na one word.
English, Tagalog.
Surreal but fun.
English inside of her.
Is starting now?
The English is Englishing, Mamajel.
One sentence or one sentence?
1 to 2, ano lang. 1 to 2, ano lang.
Sige.
I really like it, Kama.
What did I hear you?
Semicolon.
I really like the experience. It is our first podcast.
exposure with a with Tricks and the with the like-minded people and the tribe, and then with this podcast, we were come on.
Okay, we're good.
We were given the opportunity also to have a safe space to exposed. Nga ka na maingon na mo kung sa ang mga struggles, blessings, and humble beginnings for Bookfest. And thank you so much, Imperfectly Perfect Podcast, for having us. Period.
Break.
Master siya sa mga para-paraan.com.ph. Ano naman kayang para-paraan ang gagawin ni? Ay, di na siya kailangan magpara-paraan, ma'am. Easy!
Apit na lang ito, Iksoan.
Yes, ma'am. Easy.
One sentence.
Or two.
Second appearance naman na. So
Wait,
two
calma.
sentences.
Thank you for letting us show that we can still do great things even if we're imperfectly perfect.
Hindi na ako sasagot.
Sa ako, no.
Tagalogin ko lang.
In Tagalog.
One word for Ma'am Easy. Slay!
Hindi na sa kaya. Hindi ka kaya niya.
Ano ba sinabi? Still, sa akin is platforms like these allow people to tell stories. And for me, stories are so important. Because more than what you can see, more than metrics, more than what we can report to you when we post or when we advertise anything on social media, stories will make the most impact and ripple. So we're happy for opportunities like these, platforms like these, and for many other stories to come.
Okay, level.
Lumalaban, sino kaya sa dalawa? Dalawa na lang sila, sino kaya? Lamang Karen. Kung asan ko
Feeling a little worried because my son is already calling. Ito, try na. Feeling ko na ni ko grateful, yun kayo, sa the Imperfectly Perfect podcast for holding the space for us to be able to share this. Bitaw kay Marag ang norm po sa gang. Isa ka. Bitaw ang norm po is kanang kato siya, we try our best to be able to hold space for each other, and the Imperfect Perfect podcast has held this space for us to show the beyond the scenes. No. Thank you so much.
Wala ni siya gituyo, pero the last, ikaw na gini, ma'am, the commencement exercises. Ma'am Glide.
Year 2026.
By the virtue.
Sorry na. Patawad ba na ako na? There's laughing. It's okay.
No, let me cry.
Hindi kang niyo. Hindi naman sa tayo.
Two na lang, hangyo.
I just want to say that this is the very first interview and podcast that I have. Now, so I'm very comfortable facing the camera. Because I'm very, kabulon sa tanan, I really don't want to be in front of the camera. Even picture during even hindi ko comfortable na. Unless if kami mo yun kinamanasit ko na. But this is the first time because people was so sarcastic.
Laking sa.
Peer pressure.
They're aware that I really don't feel comfortable in front of the camera. And then I Kasi ko iwan, may pwede flower lang ko, mag-cheer lang ko, at the side, and nakita mo ko si Maria, so they cheer again. Another Marian. So, yeah, I'm really thankful for you guys sa imperfectly perfect podcast for having us here. Because one thing that I would like to share, all throughout the years that we've been volunteering, we're not just doing this for Bukidnon. We would also like to inspire people outside Bukidnon to do things, do things like this for the community. That if we can do this here in Bukidnon, why not say that halfway? This we want to, not just for Bukidnon to rise in the shack. I think that's manifesting. But all together, as a country, as a whole.
For president. For president.
Yeah, so thank you very much for having this kind of platform. And see you next time.
This will not be the last.
For your solo
For
episode.
sure.
So I think that's all for me. And that may God bless your podcast, your platform, that it will become bigger and bigger. Like what inspire people. It will become a platform as well for other people to share the stories.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Wow. And
Before ka mag-get.
to put the cherry on top, see you daw on 2026.
Yeah.
Yes, sa my friend.
Last lang, if you're wondering why Bookfest is a success, so you witnessed bakit. Because of these people.
So, salamat kayo. Nawala tayo one line. Simpleng tao lang siya. And of course, guys, salamat kayo. Nakaabot mi og 1 hour and pila, 30 minutes. This is the first.
Yay!
Grabe. This is the first. Palata ka naman natin, mga kaibigan. So, this is the first time na nakaabot mi 1 hour and 30 minutes. And guys, okay na, ang mga mga anak, no, nagpaabot sa Okay guys, so I hope that you will watch this episode and be excited. And kung di ba, permiti ginapaulit-ulit nga, you are like-minded people. But if there's such a word nga, like-hearted people, gakakitan ako sa inyo ha.
Surang sa kuha na tayo.
So guys, salamat kayo. Gusto mo na padayon, pero dili na lang sa mitaman ha. So, nandito na tayo guys. Enter mo sa The Imperfectly Last ha. See you on the next episode of
Imperfectly Perfect Podcast!
Thank you.
Wala pala na hit recording.
Ikaw ba yan?